Hello students, in last class we have completed our exercise 3.5 and 3.4, is it? Today we are going to start our new exercise, that is exercise 3.6, okay? And this question is all about word problems, okay? We are going to solve all the questions in our copy. Is it okay? Okay. Now, all of you see here question number 1, it has been given, okay? Question number 1, you see, question given, there are 2,468 boys, means 2,468 boys and 2,321 girls studying in a school, okay? So in a school, how many boys are there? 2,468, and how many girls are there? 2,321. So you have to find the total number of students in the school, okay? So how we were going to write? Okay, so we were going to write number of boys. So here say total number, okay? So as they say total number, so we are going to write number. So number of boys studying, S-T-U-D-Y-I-N-G, studying in a school. See students, I don't have place, so I have written in next line, okay? So how many boys are studying? 2,468, okay? And number of girls studying in a school. So how many girls are studying here? 2, 3, 2, 1. So all of you can see students, I have written all the numbers according to the line, okay? Here you can write 1,000, 100, tens and ones, okay? Now you add. How we will understand that this is add? Here you see, here given word total. Total number given. So total means we have to add the numbers, okay? So now you add 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is how much? 9. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8, okay? 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is how much students? How much? 7. So 2 plus 2, here 4, okay? So the answer is 4, 7, 8, 9. So here what is the last line question given? Find the total number of students in the school. Okay. So what we will write? Therefore, total number of students in the school is equal to 4, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So in this way, our answer is solved. Is it clear? Now come to question number 2. For a cricket match at Sharjah, 2,608 tickets were sold on the first day. On a first day, how much tickets were sold? 2,608. Okay. 2,896 tickets on the second day. So on 2,896, 2,896 tickets were sold on second day, okay? And 3,102 tickets were on the third day. So on third day, how much tickets? 3,102. So how many tickets were sold in these 3 days altogether? Okay. So what we are going to write? Solution. Okay. Here given how many tickets were sold in this 3 days altogether. So we are going to write number of tickets sold on first day is equal to how much students? Here question given how much? Given 2,608. Okay. So we are going to give this sign. Okay. This sign means same. Do. Tickets were sold on second day. So how much in second day? 2,896. And number of tickets sold on third day is equal to 3,102. Okay. Now you add 1,000, 100, tens and ones. So you add 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 1 is carry, 1 plus 9, 1 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 0, 10. So here I will write 0 and one carrying number is there. I will place in place of 100. Now you add 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6 is how much, students? It is 7. 7 plus 8, it is 15. 15 plus 1, 16. Okay. So 1 will be carried forward in 1000 place. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. So it is 8606. Okay. So last question, what is given? How many tickets were sold in these 3 days altogether? So I don't have place, students. You see, I will write here all together 8606 tickets were sold in these 3 days. Okay, were sold in these 3 days. Is it clear, students? I hope you can understand. Is it clear? Okay, now I am going to show you question number 3. All the questions are similar, students. Okay, patterns are same. Our school library has 2596 Hindi books and 2847 English books and 2064 mathematics books. Find the total number of books in the library. Okay, suppose in your class you are having different subjects. Okay, suppose I will give you one example. 2 Hindi books are there, 2 maths books are there, and 3 Assamese books are there. So if I will ask you, count the total number of books. So what you will do? You will do addition or you will subtract. What you will do, students? You will add. Okay, how you will add? 2 plus 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 2 is how much, students? It is 4. And 4 plus 3 is how much? It is 7. So this 2 plus 2 plus 3 is 7. It means the total number of books were 7. Is it? So in this way, I am going to start this question. So in our school library, how much books were there? Hindi books. How much Hindi books were there? I will write here number of books. Here you see total number given. So I will write number of Hindi books equal to 2596. Okay. The number of what books are there? English book. How much? English books equal to 2847. And number of what books? Mathematics book. Mathematics books equal to 2764. Now we add 1000, 100, tens and ones. Okay. Add 6 plus 7, it is 13. 13 plus 4, it is 17. So 7 will be here and 1 you carry forward. So 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 6, it is 20. So 0 I will write here and 2 I will carry forward in 100 place. Now we add 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 7 is 22. So 2 I will write here and 2 I will carry forward in 1000 place. Now you add 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 2 8. So our answer is how much? 8207. So last question what given? Find the total number of books. So what I will write? Therefore total number of books in the library is equal to 8207. Is it clear? Is it clear to you, students? I hope you have understood. Okay. Now come to question number 4. Here you see question given. Mr. Joshi purchased a television for rupees 3896. Okay. and a washing machine for rupees 5,692. Find the total money he paid to purchase these items. Okay, suppose I will ask you to purchase 2 pen. Okay, 2 pen cost will be 10 rupees. Okay, and I will tell you to purchase 3 pencils. Its cost will be suppose 15. So what will be the total amount will be? What you have to do? You have to add or you have to subtract. What you will do? You have to add. Okay. So what we are going to do? It will be 5 and 1 plus 1 will be 2. So this is 25. Okay. Yes. So in this way we have to do this. Solution. Okay. So here given Mr. Joshi purchased a television for rupees 3,896 and a washing machine for this. Find the total money he paid to purchase these items. So what I will write? Money paid to purchase a television equal to rupees 3,896. Okay. Then next, instead of money, students, I think you can write cost, C-O-S-T, cost of a television. Okay. Then cost of a washing machine. Sorry for this, students. Okay. You will write 5, 6, 9, 2. Here you add. Now 6 plus 2. Here you have to add. 6 plus 2 is how much? It is 8. Is it? 9 plus 9 is how much, students? It is 18. 1 will be carried forward to 100 place. Now 1 plus 8 is 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. And 9 plus 6 is 15. So 5 I will write here. 1 I will carry forward in 1000 place. So 1 plus 3 will be 4. 4 plus 5 will be 9. And don't forget to put the rupees sign. Okay. So what is the last question given? Find the total money he paid to purchase these items. So we will write therefore total money he paid to purchase these items equal to rupees 9588. Is it clear, students? Is it clear? I hope all of you have understood, students. These all questions. Is it? Okay.